I've taken the opportunity to come out to East Peoria today to learn actually a bit about the company's fantastic history, and I'm joined by Lee, a corporate archivist, to learn. Welcome. Thank you.
Thanks, Andrew. Thanks for having me. We're actually literally blocks away from almost 110 years of track-type tractor history. What a lot of people don't know is actually the original track-type tractor was created in California in 1904, but very shortly production was moved out here to Peoria.
That's fantastic to know, because until today, I didn't realize the company's roots had actually been in California. I'd always believed they were started here in Peoria.
Yeah, actually they originally started kind of in the San Francisco Bay Area, and our original headquarters actually in 1925 was in the San Francisco Bay Area. It's moved around to a lot of different places, and you'll see on our tour today, we're even going to see the facade of one of our original headquarter buildings.
Okay, that'd be great. So can we maybe start the tour? That'd be fantastic.
Let's go.
Okay, thank you. Lee, can you explain the significance of the gray?
Sure, absolutely. Well, you know, originally our machines were gray, and the reason for that was Caterpillar was formed by two companies that merged together, and the gray was part of a company called Holt, who also had the Caterpillar trademark.
Okay, and when did the color change?
Well, you know, the color changed in 1931, and one of the main reasons was our machines originally were used for agricultural purposes, but by 1931 they were pushing dirt, just like today, and there were many safety issues, right, where you had a machine sitting on the side of the road, and that's why our first color was actually called highway yellow.
So that's really just how the iconic color started, was basically for safety reasons.
Absolutely.
Excellent. And the Caterpillar?
Well, you know, we got the name Caterpillar because Benjamin Holt tested his first track-type tractor on a field in California, and as it was going across the field, the tracks were moving, and someone commented, "Doesn't that look like a giant caterpillar?" And he originally hated the name, but you know, eventually it stuck, and it became Holt's trademark and became our name today.
Okay, and that's just now, and everybody knows this as CAT because of the ticker symbol as well. So it's all connected.
Absolutely. Do you want to go look at that facade?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. Let's go.
Andrew, we're standing right now in front of the facade that we talked about. This was actually the headquarters of the former Holt factory, and later became the building that was CAT's headquarters in the 1950s. You know, as we talked about 110 years ago, or close to that, Holt came out here, and they almost immediately started doing factory tours. You're going to go on one today in a modern factory.
Yes, I think I'm actually headed over to Building SS now. Lee, thank you very much. Really appreciate this.
Thank you.
Listen, thank you.
This is where it all began for Caterpillar.
Yeah.
And it's a great place to work. So what we're going to walk is we're going to walk all the way back to the shipping floor, and I'll show you, we'll kind of walk back. The B11 is the only one that runs through here. The track is coiled around, and then we pull it out with a small tractor, and then we wrap it around. So, and then from here we go to wash, then it goes to paint, and then in the back of the building we pretty much dress up the tractors. And once we put the tracks on, we drive it around, and we're able to go in and see evaluate the quality of the inside. And then we paint it, and then from the painting, all of the covers, the cap, the rollover protection, the decals, and all of the attachments go here in the back of the building. So basically what we do is we ship by truck on this end of our shipping yard, and then on this side we have two spurs which we mostly ship by rail, mostly in North America. And this is how we get it to our dealers, which end up furbishing and finalizing the customization of the product before we deliver it to the end customer. Is this your first facility you're visiting? All right, so you started in the right place. Very good.
Appreciate it.